It was all a dream, I swear it never happened. I wrote like Edgar Allan, I was Poe like Edgar Allan. Let me hit the weed, you know I really need that. Missing screws, bending rules like kneecaps. I don't even know what's real, I'm just being real. Making moves, you're just another human being still. Play the fool, you jealous dudes are just to play the fool. Tell the truth, I'm the coldest cat, saber tooth. Blaze the bull, blaze the Buddha, this ain't hookah. You hit this shit a few times, you might see the future. Ask my nigga Blocker, we be rolling up that Blanca. Just retire, if I like this fire, I might blow your blocker. Enjoy your mind trip, but don't trip on your mind. No man is safe from the war going on outside. That's right. You ever been conscious in a coma? Please don't tell my mama this ain't marijuana. I might be tripping off that DMT, TDE, limitless like we on NZT. I made my dreams reality, so to speak, or so they say. I could still be asleep. The black sheep running with a pack of wolves, diamond in the rough. Tell Brock I need a pack of wolves quickly. 2 white cups full of codeine, plus I got 2 white sluts down to blow me. Can't you see I'm floating like root beer and ice cream? My synapses act like lightning, probably why I'm so enlightening. Probably why these niggas can't fuck with me. I'm looking like who the fuck invited them. They failed in testing like what's inside of them. Solo, say it like you mean it. My demeanor is the meanest, it gets meaner by the minute. It's mine, I speak, mine, it speaks. Your time is tick, skies limit. Space where matter don't matter. Just spirit molecules and geometric patterns. Shitted in the crater last time I sat on Saturn. Got a letter from Andromeda, they tryna shrine my bladder. Enjoy your mind trip, but don't trip on your mind. No man is safe from the war going on outside. That's right. You ever been conscious in a coma? Please don't tell my mama this ain't marijuana. I might be tripping off that DMT, TDE, limitless like we on NZT. I make my dreams reality, so to speak, or so they say. I could still be asleep. I'm in a whole nother realm, go to hell. Last nigga tried to scratch the surface, broke a nail. Last nigga tried to cross the line, got crucified. We overseas, back to back, never wore Chanel. The new nucleus, never sitting in the cell. Genius, idiot, best description of myself. I'm in the fucking lab coat rhyming this higher shit. When I die, donate my organs to science, bitch.
You got 3 eyes, 3 eyes, 3 eyes. You got 3 eyes, 3 eyes, 3 eyes. You got 3 eyes, 3 eyes, 3 eyes. You got 3 eyes, but you could never see eyes.